Understanding the pain sexual assault and its impact. Sexual assault is a deeply traumatic experience that leaves lasting scars on the lives of survivors. It is a violation that goes beyond the physical, affecting the emotional and psychological well-being of individuals. Sexual assault is a terrible crime. It hurts deeply. The pain and suffering it causes can be overwhelming, leaving victims feeling lost and broken. The emotional wounds can be just as severe, if not more so, than the physical ones. Victims are never to blame. It is crucial to understand that the responsibility lies solely with the perpetrator. Survivors often struggle with feelings of guilt and shame, but they should never feel responsible for the actions of others. This experience can cause fear, sadness, and anger. These emotions are natural responses to such a traumatic event. Survivors may find themselves grappling with intense feelings that can be difficult to manage. It's important to remember healing is possible. With time, support, and the right resources, survivors can find a path to recovery. Healing is a journey, and it is different for everyone. The impact of sexual assault is huge. It can affect every aspect of a person's life, from their relationships to their ability to function in daily activities. The trauma can be all-encompassing, making it hard to see a way forward. It affects a person's mind, body, and soul. The trauma can manifest in various ways, including physical symptoms like headaches and fatigue, emotional struggles like depression and anxiety, and spiritual crises that challenge one's sense of self and purpose. Victims often struggle with flashbacks, nightmares, and anxiety. These intrusive thoughts and memories can make it difficult to feel safe and secure. The constant state of alertness can be exhausting and debilitating. They may feel unsafe and alone. The isolation that comes with trauma can be profound, making it hard to reach out for help. Survivors may withdraw from loved ones and social activities, feeling disconnected from the world around them. It's crucial to understand that healing takes time. There is no set timeline for recovery, and it is important to be patient with oneself. Each step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. There's no right or wrong way to feel. Every survivor's journey is unique, and their emotions are valid. It is important to honor and acknowledge these feelings as part of the healing process. Support and understanding are vital for survivors to heal and rebuild their lives. Having a network of compassionate and empathetic individuals can make a significant difference. Therapy, support groups, and loved ones can provide the necessary encouragement and strength to move forward. Reaching out. The first step to healing. After experiencing the trauma of sexual assault, reaching out for help is not just important, it's essential. It can be the most crucial step in your healing journey. It might seem incredibly scary, and the thought of opening up can be overwhelming, but it's so important to take that step. Talking to someone you trust can make a big difference. It can be the first step in breaking the silence and starting to process what happened. This could be a friend, a family member, a therapist, or a support group. Each of these people can offer a different kind of support, and it's important to find what works best for you. Sharing your story, whether it's with one person or in a group setting, can be a huge relief. It allows you to release some of the burden you've been carrying. It can help you feel less alone, knowing that there are people who care about you and are willing to listen. Remember, healing is not a solo journey. It's a path that is best walked with the support of others. Reaching out is a sign of strength, not weakness. It shows that you are taking control of your healing process. It's the first step towards reclaiming your life, towards finding peace and strength within yourself once again. You are not alone, and there is help available. Take that first step and begin your journey to healing. The power of presence, family, and friends as pillars of support. In times of hardship and recovery, the presence of loved ones can be a beacon of hope and strength. Their unwavering support can provide the foundation needed to rebuild and heal. Family and friends play a vital role in a survivor's healing. They offer a sense of belonging and security that is crucial during challenging times. Their love acts as a soothing balm, helping to mend emotional wounds. Your love and support are so important. It's not just about grand gestures. Sometimes the smallest acts of kindness can have the most profound impact. A simple hug, a kind word, or just being there can make all the difference. Being there for them can make a world of difference. Your presence reassures them that they are not alone in their journey. It shows that you care and that you are willing to stand by them through thick and thin. Sometimes, just listening is enough. Offering a non-judgmental ear can provide immense relief. It allows them to express their feelings and thoughts without fear of criticism or misunderstanding. Let them know you believe them. Validation is a powerful tool in the healing process. It helps to rebuild trust and confidence, which may have been shattered by their experiences. Offer a shoulder to cry on, a listening ear, and a safe space. Patience is key. Healing takes time. It's important to be patient and give them the time they need to process their emotions and experiences. Be understanding and supportive throughout their journey. Your consistent support can help them navigate the ups and downs of their recovery. It shows that you are committed to their well-being. Your presence can be a source of strength and comfort. In moments of despair, knowing that someone cares can be incredibly uplifting. Your support can be the anchor that keeps them grounded as they work towards healing and recovery. A listening ear. The role of support groups. Support groups offer a safe haven for survivors. They provide a space to connect with others who understand. Sharing experiences can be incredibly healing. In these groups, survivors realize they're not alone. They learn coping mechanisms from each other. They gain strength from shared stories of resilience. Support groups offer a sense of community. They remind survivors that healing is possible. They provide hope for a brighter future. Section 5. Professional guidance, navigating trauma with therapy. Therapy is crucial for processing trauma. Therapists trained in trauma-informed care provide specialized support. They help survivors understand and manage their emotions. Therapy provides coping strategies for flashbacks, anxiety, and fear. It offers a safe space to explore feelings and develop healthy coping mechanisms. It's essential to find a therapist who specializes in trauma. This ensures the survivor receives the most effective and compassionate care. Section 6. Reclaiming your story. The journey of healing. Healing is not about forgetting, it's about reclaiming your life. It's about finding strength and moving forward. It's a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. It's about rediscovering your passions and finding joy again. It's about embracing your strength and resilience. It's about believing in your ability to heal. Healing is a process, not a destination. It's about taking small steps every day. It's about celebrating victories and learning from setbacks. Section 7. Sarah's strength, finding hope after trauma. Sarah, a sexual assault survivor, found strength in therapy and support groups. She learned to cope with her trauma and rebuild her life. Through therapy, Sarah processed her emotions and developed healthy coping mechanisms. She found solace in sharing her story with others who understood. Today, Sarah is a beacon of hope. She advocates for other survivors and shares her story to inspire healing. Section 8. Building resilience, tools for moving forward. Building resilience is crucial for healing. It's about developing inner strength to cope with challenges. It's about bouncing back from adversity. Engage in activities you enjoy. Spend time in nature. Connect with loved ones. These activities nurture your mind, body, and soul. Remember, you are not alone. There are resources available to support you. Reach out and seek help when you need it. Section 9. Self-care, nurturing the body and mind. Self-care is essential for healing. It's about prioritizing your well-being. It's about being kind to yourself. It's about nurturing your body and mind. Engage in activities that bring you joy. Practice mindfulness. Eat nourishing foods. Get enough sleep. These practices promote healing and well-being. Remember, self-care is not selfish. It's essential for your recovery. It's about replenishing your energy and finding strength from within. Section 10. Finding your voice, advocacy and support. Sharing your story can be empowering. It can help others feel less alone. It can raise awareness and advocate for change. You can choose to share your story publicly or privately. Find a platform that feels safe and comfortable for you. Your voice is powerful. By sharing your story, you can inspire hope and create a ripple effect of healing. Section 11. A future of healing, creating a safer world. Creating a safer world requires collective effort. We must challenge victim blaming and promote consent education. We must believe survivors and support their healing. We must hold perpetrators accountable for their actions. Together, we can create a world where sexual assault is unacceptable. We can build a future where survivors feel safe, supported, and empowered.